Welcome to the How to Add Images to a Gallery tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to add images to a gallery. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. How to add images to a gallery, and 2. How to style your gallery. Topic 1. How to add images to a gallery. To add images to a gallery, right-click the gallery widget that you'd like to edit. Click Edit Gallery. Select the Content tab in the Edit Gallery Editor panel. Select Images and choose Images from the Media library, then click Insert Media. If you don't have images yet, you can drag images into here to upload them. This will create a gallery of those images for which you can add to the Gallery widget. Topic 2. How to style your gallery. To style your gallery, right-click the Gallery widget that you'd like to edit. In the Content tab, select how you'd like the gallery set. Then, select the Style tab in the Edit Gallery Editor panel. Style the gallery accordingly to how you like it. You've now learned how to add images to a gallery.